Understanding a Mother's Day toast. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very special phrase, a Mother's Day toast. This phrase is rich in culture and tradition, and it's especially relevant around the time we celebrate Mother's Day. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the literal meaning of this phrase, but also its cultural significance. So, let's get started. A Mother's Day toast consists of three key components: Mother's Day, toast, and the implication of this combination. Mother's Day is a celebration honoring mothers and motherhood, maternal bonds, and the influence of mothers in society. It's observed in various forms around the world, typically in March or May. Toast refers to two main concepts in English. The first is the act of toasting bread, making it crispy and brown. The second, which is our focus, involves raising one's glass and drinking in honor of someone or something, often accompanied by a short speech. When we combine these concepts, a Mother's Day toast becomes a tribute to mothers on Mother's Day, usually involving a heartfelt speech and a drink to honor mothers' roles and contributions. A Mother's Day toast is more than just a saying. It's a practice that holds deep emotional and cultural significance. It's a moment during Mother's Day celebrations where families express their gratitude, love, and respect towards their mothers and mother figures. This toast is a way to publicly acknowledge and celebrate the countless sacrifices, love, and hard work mothers invest in their families. Making a Mother's Day toast involves a few simple steps, but the essence lies in the sincerity and thoughtfulness of your words. 1. Prepare your thoughts. Think about what your mother or mother figure means to you and what specific qualities or sacrifices you want to acknowledge. 2. Choose your moment. While Mother's Day lunch or dinner is a common time, any moment that feels special and intimate can work. 3. Raise your glass. It doesn't matter if it's champagne, wine, juice, or water. The act of raising a glass is symbolic of honor and celebration. 4. Speak from the heart. Share your prepared thoughts. Keep it brief but meaningful. The goal is to express your appreciation and love. 5. Conclude with a toast. Finish by saying something like, "To Mom," inviting everyone present to join in the toast. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful tradition of a Mother's Day toast. It's a simple yet profound way to show our appreciation for the incredible women in our lives who we call Mom. Remember, it's not about the grandeur of your words but the sincerity behind them. So this Mother's Day, let's raise our glasses and make our mothers feel as special as they truly are. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.